Hello everyone, in today's Excel Basics course, I want to introduce you to freeze panes and split view, two small features. When we browse spreadsheets, we often encounter a problem. When we scroll down the page, the column headers at the top also disappear, which sometimes makes us lose track of what some numbers represent as we have to scroll back up to find the column titles. To solve this, think about which rows we want to freeze in place. If I want to freeze the second row with titles, I would select the entire third row, the one right below the freeze area. Then go to the View tab and click Freeze Panes. Then click the first Freeze Panes option. Now you'll see a horizontal freeze line on the sheet. When I scroll down now, the column titles won't disappear. To undo freezing later, just click Freeze Panes again and select Unfreeze Panes. For those who can learn quickly, it's not hard to guess. This works for freezing columns too. If I want to freeze columns A and B, I would click column C to the right of band. Similarly, click Freeze Panes. Then choose Freeze Panes again. This freezes columns A and B. Okay, besides freeze panes, Excel also has another small feature that allows easy data comparison while viewing the sheet. For example, if I want to compare row 1 and row 2, scrolling up and down would be tedious since they're at opposite ends. Here I can use Split View to show different areas in separate panes. If I want to split at about halfway, I'd first click the row to split at. Then go to View and click Split the difference from Freeze Panes. Both panes can scroll independently, so I can scroll to the data I want and easily compare. Finally, the splitter can be dragged to adjust pane sizes. Dragging it fully to the top removes the split. Okay, let's stop here for today. See you next time. Bye.